So, IMC. Welcome to IMC. Now, in the next video, I have discussed this question from 1 to 6. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss question number 7, question 8 with the help of binomial approximation. Let's start binomial approximation. Limit binomial approximation. Okay, it's very important for shortcut method, tricky method. 1 plus x whole to the power n. Okay, be used with the binomial theory. Remember, this is small talk, छोटी बात है, लेकिन ये छोटी बातें से बड़ा बड़ा क्वेश्चन, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन इजीली आंसर हो सकता है, आंसर हो जाएगा. दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. 1 plus x to the power n is near about 1 plus nx plus n common n minus upon 2 factorial x square and so on up to infinity. And this is approximation, you can say up to infinity, this is, and you can say approximation 1 plus nx. You can take 1 plus nx, 1 plus x power n, 1 plus nx. So as for example, if you 1 plus x whole to power 1 upon 3, then this is 1 plus, this will be just multiplied according to this xn nx. So this is 1/3 x nx, and this is like this 1 plus x power 4, and this is also 1 plus 4 multiplied by x. This is 1 plus x to the power n, so 1 plus nx, 1 plus 4x. Let's discuss question number 7. Limit x tends to 1, cube root of x minus 7 root of x upon 5th root of x minus cube root of x. Okay, so limit x tends to 1, cube root of x minus 7 root of x upon 5th root of x minus cube root of x. This is very important question. अगर ये see this limit, then लगता है बहुत डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम है. 1 minus 1 0 by 0 अपन फॉर्म हो जाता है. Without L hospital, its solution can be without L hospital. Without L hospital कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? Some problems is also difficult with the help of L'Hopital rule. So this is BT, binomial theory. This is BT, binomial theorem. Using binomial theorem, I will to show you how can it is possible. It is easy matter. X tends to 1. So x tends to 1 means you put x equals to 1 plus h. Okay, h is very small. Since x tends to 1, so naturally h tends to 0. So this will be changed to in h variable. This limit having x variable, this will be changed to h variable, and this will be cube root of x. If put in the place of x, value of x is 1 plus h, then this will be 1 plus h whole power 1/3, because x power 1/3, 7 root of x means x power 1/3, so 1 plus h whole power 1 by 7, and this will be 1 plus h whole power 1 by 5 minus 1 plus h whole power 1 by 3. And now using binomial theorem BT, 1 plus h, very easy and very interesting method. देखने से क्वेश्चन बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है, लेकिन यूजिंग BT binomial theorem, this is excellent method, amazing method. 1 upon 5h. Okay, now 1 is cancelled, and now after simplification this will be 1/3 is minus 7 for 7 minus 3, that is 4h upon 21, and this will be 3 minus 5, that is minus 2h upon 15, and this will be h cancel, and this will be 2 cancel, and this will be 15 to 2 upon 21, and 3 5 15 3 7 71 minus, and this will be minus 5 to 10 minus 7 by 7 upon 10, and this will be minus 7 upon 10. This is the answer, minus 7 upon 10. Sorry, this is minus 5 to multiplied by 7 minus 10 upon 7. This is the answer, minus, इसका आंसर होगा minus 10 upon 7. This is the answer, minus 10 upon 7. Now let's to solve question number 8. Cube root of 7 minus x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Okay, this will be the solve. Cube root of 7 minus x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Limit x tends to minus 1. This is also in the same way using BT method. Put x equal to minus 1 plus h. So this will be converted to h tends to 0. Okay, and this will be cube root of 7 minus x. So 7 minus, that is plus 1 minus h whole power 1 upon 3 minus 2, and this is minus 1 plus h plus 1. 1 each cancel, and next is 8 minus h upon whole power 3 minus 2 upon h, and this will be the limit. Now using binomial theorem, BT method, how can it easily possible other than other method? This is binomial theorem. I want to say 1 plus x to the power n. So first term में binomial term, two term, in the first term is 1, but here first term is 8, so you can take common 8 जब बाहर आ जाएगा 8 to the power 1/3 होगा, so this will be 2, because 2 to the power 3 cancel, so 2 1 minus h upon 8 whole power 1/3 minus 2, and this is h, and 2 here is also take common 2 and out of limit, then this will be 2 take common in the out of limit, and h tends to 0, and this will be 1 minus 1/3 h upon 8. According to binomial theorem, this is 1 because 2 is common. So according to binomial theorem, this is 1 plus nx, 1 minus nx. So 2 1 each cancel, and this will be h cancel. So minus 1 upon 24. So minus 1 upon 12. This is your answer. This is very interesting method. Next question number 9. Limit x tends to 0, cube root of this minus 4th root of this upon x plus x square. How to solve this? This is also 0 upon 0 form. So you can, if you L'Hopital, this will be also lengthy process. You can do yourself using L'Hopital rule, LH rule. But using BT binomial theorem, this will be very easy. Okay, x tends to 0, so limit binomial theorem apply 1 plus x cube whole power 1/3 minus 1 minus 2x whole to the power 1/4, and this is x plus x square. Now according to BT, this will be limit x tends to 0. This is 1 plus nx, 1 upon x cube, and this is minus 1 minus nx, 1 upon 4 to x. This is x plus x square. This is very easy method. So limit x tends to 0. This is 1 each cancel, so x cube by 3 minus plus x upon 2, and this is x plus x square. Now x each cancel, so this will be x square upon 3 plus half, and this is n plus x. Now put x tends to 0 here, and this will be half upon 1, this is 1/2. So this is the answer. This is the answer if in MCQ type question it's having if option number half then this will be answer option half. Okay, so this is much for today. Time is finished. Now to get the solution of question number 10 up to 9, I have solved this question, and question number 10, question number 11, to get the solution, please see my next video. Bhulna mat. So subscribe, and new students please subscribe and bell icon to get notification. Okay, and if you like this video, please click the like button and comment in the comment box below the video. Have a good day.